How to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. Two-step verification on WhatsApp adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a PIN in addition to the usual verification code. This tutorial will guide you through the process of enabling two-step verification on WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular WhatsApp account. Tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Settings option from the drop-down menu box. Select Privacy. If you don't find the option here, get back from this page, select Account. Choose Two-Step Verification option. Tap on Turn On button at the bottom of the screen. Create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember, and then confirm your PIN. Tap on Save button at bottom of the screen. And the PIN has already been set. If you wish to add email in case you forget your PIN, tap on Add Email or you can skip. Select Skip Email. And that's it. That's how we easily enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips.